This is a video to help remind myself how I made this design. I started by digitizing the letters that will become the center blue. And I'll take it step by step to get the red border and then the white outline between the two pieces. So to begin with, as I mentioned, I use the column A tool in Wilcom and completely digitized my lettering. Now I probably could have searched and found a font that would be close, but I wanted it to have kind of a free-form stylistic look. So I don't care about this color because I'm going to be changing that, but it gave me the base to work everything from. And what I want to do now is I'm working it in sections, paying attention to where it starts and stops. So we'll select this first portion using Control to grab all of the parts up to this point. How far do I want to go? That's going to be connected, so I'll take that one as well. Okay. It didn't take me as far as I want. I want this one also. Okay, now that should. I don't need, for what I'm about to do, I don't need these walk stitches that took me on. Looks like I may be missing this one. I'm holding Control. I'm not going to need this understitch. I may need this, so I don't leave any parts out. I think this starts the U. So I'll take these and I'll duplicate them. Control D on my keyboard. I'm going to give it just an odd color for now. Oh, select our color. Okay. And this is, let's see, I don't need this. I'm holding Control to get rid of one. Let's escape. This one I'm sure I'm not going to need, so we'll get rid of that. That's just going to muddy things up. Okay, I do need these parts. So I'll select them all. My original is still here. That's the letters that I'm actually going to use for the blue. This has given me a way to set my border stitches that I need. So we'll come over here to the simple border, and I want it at this point to do the satin column C, and I'll say OK. I'm going to change this to red. There they go. Now those first blue ones, it's not this. Oh, it's actually still this. Okay, so I'll take these up to, I believe it's here. So I'll use my Shift key this time so that I can select those. And let's go ahead and group them. Control G will group them. I want to go back and find that group that I made. Don't need it to go that far though. I just want it to go through here. I'll change that color to the navy blue that I've been using, and we're going to set it after that red. And see, that brings it to the front. Now while I still have these grouped, and honestly I don't need all of those, let's work from this original one again. Let's work from this, and you're not seeing it just because I have put something on top of it now. But this is my letters without the walk stitches. And now I'm going to use it again. I had used it to make this satin stitch border. I'm going to use it again to make a border that is in the triple run. And we'll say okay. Let's select it first. How about that? Oh, it may still be thinking about it. Let's try it again. Select. And tell it okay. You know what? I bet I've got it down here twice, do I? I do. Silly. Okay, let's get rid of this one. We don't need it. Well, the other thing you could do is hit your return once. It looks like I double bounced it. So let's put it back. Put one of them back. Okay, these small circles you're seeing, that's the inside. Now I want to change this to white thread. And it's going to come after that blue. There it is. Now, I think I used 5 steps in this one to make it really stand out. So I'm going to go back. I'm hitting escape to deselect everything. I'm going to go back and grab that, the outline from a previous letter, and we'll go to Object, Make Properties Current. Then I'll select this again, Object, Make Apply Current Properties. And that's going to automatically give me the same settings that I did for the other. But I'm hoping this will sew out nicely. What I'll end up doing is going in and checking my underlay. This would even be fun to use some of the foam so that it really stands up. And then that white border is going to further push that edge down so that the blue will stand out.